Hi, I'm Mark Small. I'm running for the United States House of Representatives from Indiana's 5th Congressional District. I'm a Republican. There's one report out that I've read that says that 22 veterans a day commit suicide in this country. That's deplorable. We've deployed our military personnel in Afghanistan and Iraq for years and years. People go there for multiple tours as they haven't in any other warfare or military action that we've had in our history. People went to Vietnam for 1 year. People know if there's a war, a declared war, that there's going to be an end to it. That's what we do when we have declarations of war under the Constitution. We're spending a lot of money on military, but very little in comparison to caring for the veterans when they return home. What we should be doing right now is, instead of tossing billions and billions of dollars into an endless war, it seems like, in so many countries, we should be putting a lot more money into our infrastructure, into our educational system, and also into our care for veterans. Once they return home, they should have work. They should have a home. My God, they're homeless and they're committing suicide. We should have care for them. I would propose that we do that, and we slash the military budget because it doesn't make us more secure to bomb other places for no reason at all. I'm Mark Small. I'm running for the United States House of Representatives, Indiana's 5th Congressional District. I'm a Republican. Thank you.